Okay, everybody, so let's take a deep, deep breath together and let go of all your thoughts and worries and concerns. Remember, they are always there when you go back to them, so they can be left alone for a little bit so that you can really enjoy yourself and really relax your body. Really let the stress go from your entire body. And imagine that love from the heavens is pouring down, and it's coming down to the top of your head. You can even feel it at the top of your head, and as it sits on every filament of hair on your head, and it enters from the top of your head into your head cavity, and it bathes your brain, and it bathes your eyes, and it bathes your sinuses, your nose, the mouth cavity, the nostrils, your tongue, your teeth, your gum, your chin. And the shower of love continues down your throat, and it goes down your shoulders, your arms, your hands, also pouring down your chest, filling your chest with love, love from the heavens above, pouring down. And it's moving down your torso, into your belly, down to your hips, and all the organs, these very special, very important organs, all inside your chest cavity, down in your abdomen, and even further down, the reproductive organs, all the way down to your tailbone, your hips. Let the energy of love fill you up, and imagine that the color, the vibration of this energy is a golden pink light. And imagine that it goes down both thighs, reaching your knees, letting go of the stress in your knees. The knees are support. They support our body. Also energetically, they support us to move forward in life. They have that level of energizing the body to move forward. And this golden pink light moves down to your calves, to your shin, down to your ankles, down to your feet, the top and bottom of your feet. And then it shoots down from the bottom of your feet into the crust of the earth. And as it moves down to the crust of the earth, it becomes like roots. And you notice that also from your tailbone, you are growing roots. Energy like a shaft of light, that golden pink light, moves from your tailbone, reaches to the ground, moves to the crust of the earth, and becomes roots. These roots help you get more connected to earth. Mother Earth provides our abundance. She provides our sustenance. She provides our life force. So being connected with her is a very important exercise. And we forget that the sustenance, the life force comes from Mother Earth. We walk on earth and we're too busy thinking, talking, acting, doing. So we forget. to be and feel the earth beneath our feet. So for now, for this now moment that we're together, feel your feet throbbing as you commune with the energy of Mother Earth. As the aura, energy field of Mother Earth spreads her love up to you and bathes you in her love.